morning, guys. It's 8. What's up, you guys? It's Godox for one, which could be doing for questions and anything. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Right now, you guys, we are Moxing. We're looking at some steel-toed shoes. For Daddy found the steel-toed shoes. So that's what's going on. So it's gonna be fun.
Just dropped Rich off at early onset, so I am gonna do some tidying up upstairs a little. So that is what's going on. It's gonna be fun and exciting. Just trying to tidy up the house a little bit much better. So that's what's going on, you guys. I have a rice sidekicks with cheddar and broccoli. We have broccoli, we have some sausage, and we have salad.
Thumbs up. Good.